be required to have a U.S. bank account. If you have a credit card with U.S. Bank and you want to get your cash back, you are going to be required to have an account. If you do not have an account with them, you can always ask for a statement credit, and then they can actually give you your cash back or your rewards right through your statement. So that is an option. You are not able to use like an outside account. You have to have an account with U.S. Bank. Now, sometimes people just want to get that cash back. I tell people just get the statement credit, because a lot of times that statement credit can be added right then and there. And that statement credit is just paying off your account regardless, because you're going to have to put that money in that account anyway. So go ahead and just get the statement credit if you guys are trying to, get your cash back. Just get the statement credit. Like I had my Tumo card. I just had like $61 basically in rewards, and they just gave me a statement credit because I would have had to put that money on that account anyway. So I just asked them for the credit, and they just credit my account. And with them, they just call it points. But since I just cashed that out, I don't have those points anymore. So I don't have any points on that account anymore. But it made it so that I have to pay less now, which is really good. I had the points redemption. So it was $65.76. They put it right on my account. So I was like, okay, good, perfect. That's less money that I have to pay. And with my Tumo, I have to pay that money. Like if you was to use your Tumo card, that money's due on Sunday. Like it's like a charge card. You're not going to be able to hold a balance on that. So with y'all having a U.S. bank account, a lot of that stuff you have one day when it's going to be available. So if you go ahead and just ask for a statement credit, then it's less money that you have to put, on your account. You have to pay anyway.